Alright, boys and girls, so today's lesson is going to be all about identifying common, proper, and possessive nouns. As a quick little review, just remember that a noun is a word that identifies a person, place, or thing. So first off, we're going to start with common noun. A common noun is a word that names an ordinary thing. So throughout this whole entire definition, I mainly want everybody to just memorize the quick little 2 words, ordinary thing, because that is what's going to help you identify them in sentences. So as an example, you can have cat, dog, or even tree. Because you're not telling me what specific cat or what specific dog or what specific tree, you're just identifying that generalized term. So second, we have a proper noun. Now a proper noun is a word that is the specific name of something. I want everybody to remember specific name. So for example, the cat Marie from the Disney movie Aristocats. If any of you have ever seen it, you're not just telling me, oh yeah, that cat. You're telling me Marie, that specific cat, I'm talking to her. Or you can tell me the specific movie of The Lion King. The Lion King. You're not just telling me, oh, that movie, that movie about the lions. You're telling me The Lion King. You're giving me the specific name of the specific movie that I'm looking for. So, common noun, ordinary thing, could be any movie, any cat, any dog, any tree. But if it's a proper noun, you're giving me the specific name of it. So the specific cat Marie or the specific movie The Lion King. And then last but not least, we have a possessive noun. Now this might be the trickiest sounding definition, but once you understand it, it will be easy breezy. So a possessive noun is a word that names the relationship of belonging between 2 things. So I just want you all to remember relationship of belonging, and I'll explain that in 2 minutes. So then you're always going to need apostrophe S or S apostrophe when it comes to these kind of nouns. So what I mean is, say you're talking about Marie's ball. Instead of just saying Marie ball, you're going to need apostrophe S to make it known that it is Marie's. So Marie's ball. Or you can even say, the dog's bone. To say that it is the dog's bone, you're not just saying the dog bone, because you need to know that it belongs to that specific dog. So since Marie and dog are both singular, you put apostrophe S after them. But if we were going to say, the boys' soccer team, since the word boys is already plural and it already ends in S, if a word already ends in S, you can just put apostrophe after the whole word, and it still means the same exact thing, only apostrophe S means singular and S apostrophe means plural. Okay? Now we're just going to do some simple examples. We're going to start with Sarah likes makeup. So in this sentence, Sarah is going to be the proper noun because remember, she is a specific girl. You're naming Sarah. You're not just saying the girl does makeup or the girl likes makeup. You're saying that Sarah does. And then makeup would be the common noun because makeup, it could be any kind of makeup. You're not really specifying what type of makeup that Sarah likes. Okay? So then just one more example could be Morgan's cat has 6 kittens. We're just going to change all of this to the right color. Okay, so Morgan's cat has 6 kittens. So Morgan's, remember, because it's singular, but it's Morgan's cat, the cat belongs to Morgan, is actually going to be the possessive noun. Remember, cat can be a common noun because you don't really know what kind of cat. And even kittens can be a common noun. All right, so I think we're all on the same page, and I hope that you will continue to understand these. And thank you all for listening. Bye, class.